I will now try to prepare a potato soup. So the first thing that I want to record are the ingredients. So what I need in general. For the first stage I will need the carrot and the onion and the oil to make the preparation. Then I will need the potatoes. Now I will cut them in a while. Then I have some main things, like some noodles, and yes, I have salt, parsley, a pepper, and tomato juice. And this will be my pot in which I will make the soup. Okay, it has a cup, and I will use a simple oven, and I will make this on 5 in the beginning. And so the first thing to do is to get ready the potatoes. So if I can put this somewhere here. Alright. And what I need. This is a temporal pan of water. Watering. Okay. Here. Now I have a knife. Now, can I use that? Okay. Well, the knife is not very sharp. I don't like sharp knives because they cut a lot. So the eggs and the yogurt are for building up. So for now I will put them in the refrigerator. Okay. The potatoes are the best culture for me. And like I have said before, I think potatoes will be the first agricultural thing that we humans will grow on Mars. We have already this in movies, so it's not my idea actually. I just like this idea and I think it's pretty possible. Okay, the first one is done. I'll put him into the water pan. Boring, but well, I can think about my other hobbies. For example, this year I will make a lot of sequel games. That is, in these words. For example, I want to make at least 10 painting puzzles. So the idea is simple. I'm taking the picture of a famous painting and I make it in a puzzle game. Right? Also this year I will begin with the history timeline puzzles. These things will be, let's say one civilization. For example, the Byzantium civilization. This is the Eastern Holy Roman Empire, and there should be 10 K dates. one should be when this civilization begin to exist. Other moments, for example, the year when it is most expanded, and then the year when the civilization fall, and all these years must be fit on some timeline. Something like that. And back to the potato soup. Also, I will have interactive recipe where you can virtually make a potato soup. Okay, two more to go. That one have roots, but soon enough I will seed the potatoes in the garden. There will be videos during the summer, that is, now is winter. But well, hey, I haven't tried. This is what I will try. Just after I make this soup, I will try to seed some potatoes here in this new home that I have. Right. There is a lot of space around. I need to find some dirt, some earth power. Come on. There is some brown thing. Okay. Now the other part. Okay, well, I see people that are doing this in fast forward, but because I'm actually not editing these videos that I make, I very rarely edit them, and this is not something that I haven't thought of. Well, the thing is, I want them to be natural with my mistakes, because, well, I'm human and I'm making mistakes. If it is only the good stuff, it goes in other place, not where I want it to be. Of course, it is better to be professional, but well, I must not fool anyone that I am professional. I'm not. It is the burden is too heavy to be professional. I don't like big burdens. I like simple life. Simples, like Roy said. Well, probably not everyone knows Roy, but he's a great character for me. That is. And back to the potatoes. So I will seed some potatoes. Well, my my ideas come faster than I can make them. So a lot of these ideas will fade into the eternity, probably. Oh, well, we have some bug here, probably. No bug anymore. Alright, so this will be the potatoes. My next stage is to cut them in cubes. But before that, I will need to stop the recording because I want to make pictures of the potatoes when they are not cut, when they are cut, and this is for the game that I'm making. Actually, it's not a game, but it is interactive recipe that will be made soon. Now this is going for the compost, and this is for now. Well, Let's see how it looks so far. Okay, now these potatoes need to be cut on cubes. And this should be the first part about the potato soup. The next part will come shortly.